Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious sorbet using an ice cream maker. First, select your favorite ripe fruit, like berries or citrus, for the best flavor. You'll also need sugar and water to create a simple syrup. This method is straightforward and perfect for beginners. Ensure all your ingredients are ready and your ice cream maker bowl is properly frozen for optimal results. To prepare your sorbet base, combine about 2 cups of your chosen fruit with 1 cup of the cooled simple syrup in a blender. Blend until the mixture is completely smooth. For an extra silky sorbet, strain the blended fruit through a fine mesh sieve to remove any pulp or seeds. Taste and adjust the sweetness as needed, perhaps adding a little lemon juice to brighten the flavors. Now it's time for the magic. Pour your thoroughly chilled sorbet base into your ice cream maker's frozen bowl. Churn the mixture for about 20 to 30 minutes or until it thickens to a soft serve consistency. The exact time depends on your machine. Once churned, transfer the sorbet to an airtight container and place it in the freezer for at least 2 hours to firm up. When you're ready to enjoy your homemade sorbet, let it sit at room temperature for 5 to 10 minutes to soften slightly, making it easier to scoop. Serve it in chilled bowls, perhaps garnished with some fresh fruit or a sprig of mint for a beautiful presentation. This refreshing treat is perfect for any occasion. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.